with the Louise Going Solo palette. The first shade that we're taking here is this shade called On the Rocks. It's their darkest matte grey shade and it's absolutely beautiful. We are just going to be darkening that outer corner of our eye. Today we're just going to do like a smoky grey look. I really just wanted to focus mainly on this one palette. So I really wanted to just see how these sort of dark greys and blacks and stuff, see how they performed. But we're just going with this shade and we're just blending it out in the outer corner of our eyes. Just taking this large blending brush from Jessop's and I'm just blending out around the edges and stuff. We're just going in with this shade which is called Untie the Knot and I'm just placing this in the centre of my eyes. Now we're just taking Ring Off, which is this matte black shade, and we're just using a very, very light hand with this, and we're just darkening up that outer corner again. Again, this shade is super, super black by the way, but I'm just using a little bit of this. Now we're just going in with this shade which is called Replaceable, and this is a dark metallic silver shade. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not cutting my crease or anything here, I really just wanted to do something pretty simple but quite smoky. Trying to use as many of the colours as I possibly could. Now we're just applying some mascara. This is the Primark 3D Lash Effect I think. And I'm just applying some lashes here as well. I'm just going with a little bit of a black liner and I'm just drawing that line over the lash band there. Now we're just going in with the shade On the Rocks again and I'm just going to blend out and smoke out that lower lash line. I'm just going in with this shade here which is called Take Care and I'm just making sure the edges are blended out as well. As you guys can see, my base is already done because I'm actually testing out a foundation just now, so I'm not really going to go into too much about like foundation or anything at the moment, but there will be a review coming soon. Just putting on some black eyeliner. I think this is just a Primark black liner pencil. Now I'm just bronzing up the face a little bit with my usual bronzer, guys. I am still using this. I really need to get rid of it. But we're just bronzing up that face a little bit and adding a little bit of definition to the face. Just gonna have a little bit of a lipstick here. I think this one is the P. Louise lipstick. And a little bit of gloss as well. And that is this look done. Hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.